this is a 6600 XT, and we're going to see how we're going to disassemble this. There's some warranty void here stickers. You're going to avoid them. The only thing we're going to have to remove is 1, 2, let me see, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only these 1, 2, 3, and 4. Only these 4 screws to remove everything. The front part, that is. The fans and the plastic cover. They have a small spring. Don't lose the spring. And they're not all the same. This one is bigger. I'm going to place them over here. These two are the same, the ones on the back. Let's check this one. They're not all the same size. Yeah. The two in the front, they're bigger than the other ones. Just gonna lay them down here side by side so you can have a comparison. So this is facing forward. These two, let me just, yeah, I already feel it loose. Yeah, and pretty easy to remove this. Here's the connector. Oh, here we are. Once again, RGB cable and all the dirt. Okay, I just plugged, I didn't got any on camera, but this the RGB cable is just pull it straight up. There's no issue with it. And as you can see, I have just gonna do a lot of dust here. Look at this. This is not healthy. So we're gonna clean this. We're gonna clean the fans. It's very dusty. It's clean on the outside, but on the inside you can see the fans. Just gonna clean a little bit of the fan so you can see the difference. There's a big difference here. It's quite dirty. Okay, sometimes even after you clean with a brush, you can see there's some residues here of dust that don't come off. The solution is baby wipes, wet towels. Don't touch this on the electronics part, just use it on the plastics, and it will clean, as you can see here. It will clean everything else that the brush couldn't remove, because sometimes the dust is very sticky and the brush can't remove everything. Okay, I've cleaned everything. You can see here the fans, they look brand new. Just gonna give it a last clean, give it a bit more shiny look. Also, I missed this part. Okay, just align the plastic with the screw holes. It's more a bit like this way. Is there some sort of issue here? No, there's no issue here. Everything is in place. See if we have it. That's it.